In last two lessons, I have demonstrated how to perform simple flotation test as well as testive flotation test. In this video lecture, I will show how to perform centrifugal flotation test or techniques. For performing the centrifugal flotation techniques, transfer an appropriate amount of fecal suspension in flotation fluid into a tube. Remember that the tube selection will depend on the holder of the centrifuge available to you. So, the fluid in the tube centrifuges at 1500 rpm for 5 minutes. Afterwards, discard the supernatant from the tube, resuspend it, and add the desired flotation fluid until a convex meniscus is formed. Then, put a cover slip on the tube and keep it in standing condition for 10 to 15 minutes or more. Afterwards, carefully transfer the cover slip on a glass slide and examine it under a microscope. Thank you for watching this video.